Our customers have the demand to have a tighter, more rigid machine that holds tighter tolerances continuously. And we don't design in a vacuum. We design from our customers' needs. And that's what we want to present here. And you can see the attraction to this machine is very real, and it's positive across the globe. And we want to make sure that we send a message out that this is a machine that can help our customers be successful to their customers. Hello, I'm John Kelly from WFL.
The machine behind me, M70 by WFL, was launched at EMO Hanover 2025. This machine is having huge attention during the Technology Meeting 2026, and we are having with us John Kelly, who will be talking more about this machine and how it can help you.
We designed this machine to bridge a gap that we had in our line between the M60 and the M80, the M65 and the M80, which increases, gives you more power in your headstock, gives you more power in your turning, boring, milling unit, gives you more capacity on tooling, and it also gives you more capacity on swing and the length of the bed. So what we have is a machine that can go from 1 meter to 8 meters in bed length. We have up to 40 to 65 kilowatts on the turning, the main headstock, and we have a higher rating on the turning, boring, milling unit. We have tooling that can last, that can take up to 900 millimeters length, and it's a very robust design that is basically presented to the marketplace because our customers demand it. We have to have a machine that keeps up with the technological challenges that our customers have as far as tolerances and machining very difficult material, and this is our answer to it, the M70. This application we have running on this machine right now is an aluminum piece used in space industry. We have a right angle head that has an interchangeable tip from the tool magazine, which is very important. So usually it's a manual change. This time it's automatic change. We have an amplifier for the RPM because it is aluminum. You deliver 3,000 RPM on the milling spindle and it amplifies it up to 12,000 RPM. It's used for oil mist lubrication and has coolant, so it can run continuously at 12,000 RPM for as long as you want to for this application, which is very, very new because most of the time you have short runs for high amplified tool applications. What you see in this part is a lot of milling details internal, which is very difficult to do, especially when it's continuous. And because it's aluminum, we want to have higher speed, and that's the need for the amplifier.